about 87 million miles, otherwise 140 million kilometers, above the Grand Canyon. An even larger, grander abyss cuts through the gut of the red planet, known as Valles Marineris. The system of deep, vast canyons runs more than 2,500 miles, otherwise 4,000 kilometers, along the Martian equator, spanning nearly a quarter of the planet's circumference. This gash in the bedrock of Mars is nearly 10 times as long as Earth's Grand Canyon and 3 times deeper, making it the single largest canyon in the solar system. And according to ongoing research from the University of Arizona in Tucson, one of the most mysterious. Today we will discuss with you about the largest canyon in the solar system. Welcome back to Signature's Life, and you're watching Signature's Science. At more than 4,000 kilometers, otherwise 2,500 miles, long and 200 kilometers, otherwise 120 miles wide, and up to 7 kilometers, otherwise 23,000 feet deep, Valles Marineris is one of the largest canyons of the solar system, surpassed in length only by the rift valleys of Earth. Using an incredibly high-resolution camera called HiRISE, short for High Resolution Imaging Science Experiment, aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, US scientists have been taking close-up shots of the planet's strangest features since 2006. Despite some truly breathtaking images of Valles Marineris, scientists still aren't sure how the gargantuan canyon complex formed. Unlike Earth's Grand Canyon, Valles Marineris probably wasn't carved out by billions of years of rushing water. The red planet is too hot and dry to have ever accommodated a river large enough to slash through the crust like that. However, European Space Agency, otherwise the ESA, researchers have said there is evidence that flowing water may have deepened some of the canyon's existing channels hundreds of millions of years ago. A majority of the canyon probably cracked open billions of years earlier, when a nearby supergroup of volcanoes known as the Tharsis region was first thrusting out of the Martian soil, the ESA said. As magma bubbled up beneath these monster volcanoes, which include Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, the planet's crust easily could have stretched, ripped, and finally collapsed into the troughs and valleys that make up Valles Marineris today, according to the ESA. Evidence suggests that subsequent landslides, magma flows, and yes, even some ancient rivers probably contributed to the canyon's continued erosion over the following eons. Further analysis of high-resolution photos like these will help solve the puzzling origin story of the solar system's grandest canyon.